Hi guys, welcome to Memo's Tutorials. Today we are interpreting the inequalities that are given on these diagrams, okay? So sometimes they can just draw a diagram and they expect you to be able to tell them the inequality. So before we do that, I need you guys to take note of something. Whenever you see a circle shaded like that, it simply means that we have to include the or equal to sign, okay? So on our number one there, we are having 3.75 and a 1. So what you're going to do, you write your 3.75 and your 1 there, you put x in the middle, now you put the signs, okay? So this simply means that x is greater or equal to 3.75, okay? But at the same time, it is less than 1. Less than 1, take note, I did not put the or equal to sign on this one because it is empty, it is not shaded inside. So that's our first inequality. As for our second inequality, our x values there, they are all less than or equal to -9. So the x values, they are less than or equal to -9. So all the numbers that are less than -9 are our x values, right? And then on question number 3, we are moving from a -2 to a 6. Then you write your x in the middle. Your x values, they are greater or equal to -2, but then at the same time they are less than what? 6. So they will range from -2 to a 5 or a 5 point something, not going up to 6, right? What about number 4? On number 4 then, you write your -1, your x, and your 3 like that. In this case, our x values, they are greater or equal to -1. So you put the or equal to sign. At the same time, they are less or equal to 3. So in this case, we are having the or equal to signs on both signs there. So now, for number 5, feel free to pause the video and try the remaining questions. As for number 5, you write your -9, your x, and your 3 like that. You put the less than sign like that. Our x values, they are greater than -9, but at the same time, they are less than or equal to a 3. Are we together? Our x values, they are greater than -9. At the same time, they are less than or equal to 3. As for this one, our x values, they are all greater than -6. -6 is not included. Our number 7, our x values are greater than 0. Okay, all values above 0 are our x values. And then for number 8, our x values, they are all less than a -2. Okay, so the most important thing for you guys to note is that when they shade it, just know that they mean you must put the or equal to sign. And when you have 2 circles like that, it simply means your inequality will range from where the other circle is and also to where the other circle is, and then you fill in your inequality signs like that. You only put the or equal to sign when it is shaded. There it was shaded, that's why we did or equal to, but here it was not, so I just left it empty like that. And here on number 5, it was not shaded, so I left it empty without the or equal to sign underneath. Okay, so that's all for today. On our next